Canva. It started as a simple drag-and-drop tool for people who couldn't afford a designer, and for a long time that was enough. Then AI arrived, and Canva became something harder to categorize. Magic Studio is the name for its AI layer, and it does a lot. Generate images from text, remove backgrounds in one click, expand a photo beyond its original edges, rewrite your copy, turn a slide deck into a video. Canva has over 200 million users, and most of them are not designers. They're teachers making worksheets, small business owners posting to Instagram, nonprofit coordinators who have $0 for a creative team. For that audience, this is honestly the most practical AI design tool on the list. It's not the most powerful, but it fits into a workflow people already have. Midjourney. Pure image generation. No canvas, no layers, no export to PDF. You type a description and it makes a picture. And the pictures are consistently better looking than almost anything else in this category. That's been true since around version 4, and it's still true now. The output skews toward a certain painterly, cinematic aesthetic, which is either exactly what you want or exactly what you don't. Designers use it for mood boards, concept exploration, client presentations, where you need something that looks expensive fast. The Discord-based interface put a lot of people off early on, though they've since built a proper web app. Half the AI-generated images you see in articles and ad campaigns were probably made here. Adobe Firefly. Adobe built this specifically to be commercially safe. Every image it generates is trained on licensed content, which matters if you're using AI visuals in client work or selling anything. Firefly lives inside Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe Express, so it doesn't ask you to change your workflow, it just adds to it. Generative fill is the standout feature. Select an area in Photoshop, describe what you want there, and it fills it in. Remove a person from a photo, extend a sky, add a product to an empty table. It's not magic, but it's close enough that professionals use it on real projects. For anyone already in the Adobe ecosystem, this is probably the most frictionless AI design upgrade available. DALL. OpenAI built this, and it became the first AI image generator most people outside of tech ever tried, mostly because it was built into ChatGPT. The quality has improved steadily since the early versions that couldn't draw hands. The current version handles text inside images reasonably well, something that tripped up AI generators for years. It's not the first choice for professional image work, but it's everywhere, and that accessibility counts for something. You can use it without creating a separate account, without learning a new tool, without switching away from the conversation you're already in. A lot of people's first experience generating something from a text prompt happened here, and that first impression still shapes how they think about what AI can do. Figma. Designers have been using Figma for years. It's where product teams build apps, websites, and interfaces, and it's become the standard tool for that work. The AI features came in layers over the past couple of years. Auto layout adjustments, AI-generated placeholder content, first drafts of UI components from a text description. None of it replaces the actual design thinking, but some of it genuinely saves time. The Make Designs feature can sketch out a rough screen from a prompt, which is useful for exploration even if you end up redoing everything. Figma isn't trying to be an image generator. It's trying to help people who design software do that faster. Stable Diffusion. Open source, free to run, and dramatically different from everything else on this list because of it. Stable Diffusion is a model, not a product. You can download it and run it on your own computer, train custom versions on your own images, adjust it in ways that closed tools never allow. That flexibility attracted a large community that's built extensions, fine-tuned models, and workflows you won't find anywhere else. The trade-off is a steep learning curve and, depending on your hardware, a lot of waiting. For most people, it's probably overkill. For the subset who want full control over their AI image process, there's nothing else like it. Adobe Express. This is Adobe's answer to Canva, aimed at the same non-designer audience. It has templates for social posts, flyers, short videos, and brand kits that keep your fonts and colors consistent across everything. The AI features overlap with Firefly since it's the same company: generative fill, background removal, text effects. What makes Express distinct from Photoshop or Illustrator is the simplicity. You're not expected to know what a layer mask is. It works well for people who need to produce a lot of content quickly without a design background, and it has a free tier that covers the basics. Ideogram. The specific thing Ideogram does better than most is text. If you need an AI image that includes readable words, a poster with a headline, a logo concept with a name, a t-shirt graphic with actual legible text, Ideogram is where you go. Other tools have improved here but still produce garbled letters regularly. Ideogram handles it with accuracy that's noticeably higher. It also has a typography-focused design mode that lets you build compositions around text elements. It's not a full design platform, and it doesn't try to be. It does one thing well, and that specificity has built it a real following. Runway. Runway sits at the edge of this list because it's primarily a video tool. but it generates and manipulates images too, and it's been central to the AI creative conversation for the past few years. Gen 3 Alpha, its video model, can animate a still image or generate short video clips from text. For designers working on motion content, social ads, short-form video, or anything that moves, Runway fills a gap that pure image tools leave open. The quality of AI video is still uneven across the industry, but Runway is consistently near the top. A lot of the AI video clips you've seen online came from here. Microsoft Designer, built into Windows, Edge, and Microsoft 365, which means it quietly became one of the most distributed AI design tools without much fanfare. It's powered by DALL under the hood and includes a basic layout editor for social graphics, cards, and announcements. It's not sophisticated. The templates are simple, the control is limited, and professionals won't mistake it for a real design tool. But it's free, it's already installed for a lot of people, and for someone who needs a birthday post or a quick event flyer without downloading anything, it gets the job done. The reach is enormous, even if the ambition isn't.